चेंज
पहले अपनी आईटी की जर्नी, तो एक चीज़ जो आप डेफिनेटली करोगे।
फर्स्ट ईयर में आते हैं ना, तो सबको यही सोच के आता है कि डिप्सी करेंगे।
एक चीज़ जो मैं बिल्कुल चेंज करूँगा ये कि मैंने अपने फर्स्ट ईयर में हमारा कोविड बैच भी था, तो थोड़ा उस चक्कर में भी शायद मैंने अपने डिफरेंट क्लब्स नहीं ज्वाइन किया ज़्यादा, मतलब बस एक ही क्लब एक्सप्लोर किया था डिबेटिंग का, और फिर BSW ज्वाइन किया था। बट मैं ये चाहूँगा कि मैं और भी क्लब्स को एक्सप्लोर करूँ और भी फील्ड्स को देखूँ, ताकि शायद मैं और ग्रो कर पाता इस।
As a fresher, you have so many things to do when you come to campus that academics sort of takes a back step in the first few semesters, right? So I think I should have managed my time better in the sense that I would have started studying a month before, like majors, a month before minors.
The CGPA which you make in by the end of the first year, that is very important, ठीक है. And first year में CGPA बनाना is very easy also, ठीक है. लेकिन उस टाइम पे हम बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोरिंग स्टेज पे होते हैं, ठीक है, तो उतना ज़्यादा उस पर फोकस नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है. सो इफ़ आई एम गिवन द चांस टू गो बैक, देन डेफिनेटली मैं चाहूँगा कि ये बनी थी वो और ज़्यादा मैं उसको इंक्रीज कर पाऊँ, क्योंकि बहुत इजी होता है फर्स्ट ईयर में CGPA.
I wanted to hold on to one club, I think, for recreation. Right now, I don't have a very particular club कि यहाँ पे जाके ऐसे this is like my club, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. And I've seen people who have these clubs and they find it so entertaining. They make a new bond with these people. And mainly ऐसे club होता है तो probably inter IT में भी entry हो जाती है. So and that is another experience, $1 million experience, I would say.
कुछ चीज़ें मैं ठीक करना चाहूँगा, वो थी मैं फर्स्ट में थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा अकेडमिकली या फिर वर्क वाइज ज़्यादा फोकस था. मैं चाहूँगा थोड़ा सा मैं दोस्तों के साथ और टाइम स्पेंड करूँ, थोड़ा और मज़े करूँ. इसमें ये बात कंसिडरेशन में ले लेना, मैं सिग्निफिकेंटली ज़्यादा इंक्लाइंड था, तो बिल्कुल ही नेग्लिजिबल टाइम इनिशियली स्पेंड किया था. पर ओवर द टाइम अब मेरे को लगता है वो मैंने सही कर लिया. दोस्तों के साथ अब टाइम ठीक स्पेंड कर लेता हूँ पहले से. तो दूसरी चीज़ यार, एक चीज़ काफ़ी लोग तुम्हें बाद में बोलेंगे या कभी ना कभी तो बताएंगे कि तुम्हें अंदर से डर ख़त्म कर देना चाहिए कि तुम्हारी पहली बात तो कोई रिस्पेक्ट है नहीं डे वन पे जब तुम यहाँ आते हो, जिसको बचाने के लिए तुम कई बार काफ़ी स्टेप्स ले लेते हो कि यार मैं ये कंपटीशन में पार्ट नहीं ले रहा या मैं यहाँ नहीं जा रहा क्योंकि मेरी कोई रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है. जाओ किसी से भी बात करो, कोई भी चीज़ है काम करो.
I think I was a bit lazy during the first year and that is something I would like to change.
अपनी CG में थोड़ा मतलब 7.5 के ऊपर नहीं बना पाया ना, तो मैं एक वो बनाने की कोशिश करूँगा फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर, क्योंकि मेरी फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर थोड़ी ख़राब गई. क्योंकि मैं शुरुआत से सोच के आया था कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर करना है, तो मैंने क्या किया ना कि CG को थोड़ा किनारे कर दिया और थोड़ा बाकी चीज़ों में ध्यान देने लगा. तो मैं ये दोबारा स्टार्ट करने में ये सबसे पहली चीज़ अच्छी करूँगा. और बाकी जो मैं क्लब में एक्सप्लोर करना था,
I would first of all be more focused in my first year. I think when you come out of school and you witness this entire plethora of activities going on campus, you just go crazy and you try to do everything. I think I would take a break and think what I want to do and then go along with it, also continuing my acads very seriously, just like I would do to my cult and BRC and all of that.
Be making more friends in the chemical department in my first year, because I feel like I did make a lot of really nice friends, but for some reason, you know how first year is like, it's all mixed up departments, right? So somehow all of them, every single one of them turned out to be from some other department, and in second year I was just left flailing around without any friends in my batches, and then slowly you get used to it. But I think if you get a chance, make at least a couple of good friends. And I feel like the other thing that is to say is like first sem sati, but like ठीक है, ये तो सभी लोग बोलते हैं, I don't want to repeat.
मैं 3 चीज़ें पकड़ूंगा. मतलब जैसे मैं जब आया था ना, तो I wasn't sure what to do. I was doing everything. I would prefer कि just pick 3 things और उसी पे बहुत ज़्यादा वो कर दो कि लेट्स सपोज जैसे मेरे को चेस पसंद है, तो आई थिंक कि अगर मैंने चेस थोड़ा सा किया होता तो आई वुड हैव बीन बेटर. या तो फिर मतलब बहुत सारे म्यूज़िक मेरे को बहुत अच्छे से आता है, कीबोर्ड बजाना आता है, गिटार बजाना आता है. आई नेवर ट्राइड दैट इन IIT. आई थिंक आई शुड हैव ट्राइड दैट.
But yes, one thing that I would really want everyone to focus on, that I would have done differently, focus on my health as well. Trying to ensure that my diet is good. I completely stopped eating fruits because,
मेस में सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट होता है, you end up missing breakfast because they rest from everything. So focusing on health, ensuring that you're having a good diet because that prevents you from falling sick. What happened with me was I had to give re-minors for my first ever set of minors simply because I ended up falling sick like a day before minors. Not a good experience, would not recommend. Yeah, health and academics बहुत important and it's really easy to take care of it. And उसके अलावा तो yes, I did a lot of exploring in college in terms of the different things I want to do and what I would recommend for everyone as well. Please explore.
If I had to actually go ahead and start my journey again, I would actually not be very open to meeting or becoming very close friends with everyone. I would actually select the people I want to be close friends with, because what happens in college is your friend group dynamics will change throughout your college life. And if you sort of say get attached to the wrong people, or the people who are not very close to you, or the people who are not good enough for you, or the people who are not not resonant with you or are not correct for you, you will get hurt in the process. So it's always better ki when you're coming to college, everyone is excited, everyone wants to be in good terms with the guy next door, but don't take it to a limit that it penalizes, that you have to pay the cost in the longer run. So choose your friends wisely और मजे करो.
फर्स्ट ईयर में मैंने कुछ पार्ट मिस किया है, जैसे कि एकेडमिक्स पे फोकस करना, और फ्रेंड्स के साथ ट्रिप्स नहीं की मैंने ज़्यादा. मैंने कुछ की है पर लॉन्ग टूर कभी नहीं गया मैं, तो यही मिस करूँगा. जैसे मनाली जाना, या कहीं भी जम्मू कश्मीर घूमा है, लद्दाख घूमा है.
I would say I would have contacted and connected with seniors more. Initially it felt a bit afar. I felt that seniors are a bit too hard to communicate, but that was not the case. So if I would have been doing my journey again, I would have connected more with seniors. Secondly, I guess I would have made more friends in first year. We could have had a group, and then we would have had a great nightlife, going on trips and doing all those group wala stuff. Because I believe first year mein you have more friends and you have more people around. Had more friends and would have done more funky stuff. All-nighters, sitting on the Insti top with the group, or maybe having something in the Mechlon.
I think I would probably try a couple of more clubs. So from the very onset, I was involved a lot with debating. I was involved a lot with probably the literary and QC society for the initial few periods. I didn't do a lot of dance. I didn't do a lot of FAC or music or those kinds of cultural clubs. I think that is something that I have still not explored, and if I get time, I would probably want to do that. And definitely, if I get an opportunity to basically rewind my first year, that is one of the things that's definitely going to be on my mind.
I think I was actually very glad that I branched out and participated in the amount of cultural activities I did. I think one thing I would be continue the spirit of going to classes. That's all. I think that was a very important part of my life which I enjoyed as well, but which now I don't have the impetus to continue. First semester में सारा. And I think that makes a lot of difference in your social circle and the kind of activities, etc.